Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this video is about Comedk marks versus rank for 2024, and this one is specifically for the first shift student, which is the morning shift, right? So as you understand, this year total 1.05 lakh students have attended the Comedk exam. So possibly they would have been distributed equally across 3 shifts. So in every shift 35,000 students attended, and every shift student got different papers, and that there is different level of complexity in the exam. So for the morning shift, I checked for the toughness level, and now you can see this is the latest information. So 250 students have already voted, and according to 250 students, the morning shift was tough only for 27% students, moderate for 51% students, and easy for 22% students. So it can be considered as one of the easier shift out of the 3. And why this information is important, toughness level, because they are going to create percentile from this mark. So if you are from this shift, you will be compared only with the 35,000 students who are in your shift. You will not be compared with other shift people, because you have got the easy shift, and for everybody the shift is easy, for example. Then in that case you will be compared with this 35,000 students. Based on this shift student comparison, this shift student will get their percentiles, and then their percentiles will be converted into rank. So you will only see your rank, you will not see the percentile, but in the system first percentile will be created comparing students in the same shift only. Now let's see the Comedk first shift marks versus rank, right? So 170 to 180, which is very good marks, and as expected only 1 to 10 students maximum can get this. 160 to 169 is also a very good score, and again 11 to 30 students, and 150 to 159 marks. This will make 150 plus marks. If you are getting, then you are under 100 rank, and then if you are getting 140 to 150 in that range, your rank can be up to 300, right? So you get top notch college CSE in this range, right? RV college or BMS college or MSRIT, those type of CSEs you can get easily in this range. Now if you further move, 130 to 139 marks is also good. You can expect rank under 1000. 120 to 129, you can expect the ranks under 2500. And if you are getting 110 to 119, right, that also under 5000 ranks you can comfortably get. So if you are targeting 5000 ranks, your marks should be at least 110 to 120. Now if your marks between 100 to 109, then under 7000 rank you can expect, and between 90 to 99 marks under 12,000 ranks, and if you are getting 80 plus marks, then you will get up to 17,000 ranks, right? You can expect there. Now 70 plus marks is also decent. 70 to 79 marks, 17,000 to 23,000 ranks. And then between 60 to 69 marks, right, your ranks will go between 20,000 to 30,000 straight away, in that range. And if you are at least able to score say 50 plus marks, then at least 32 to 45,000 ranks you can expect. And if your scores are less than 50 marks, then between 40 to 49 it will be very high competitive, again 45,000 to 62,000, and 30 to 39 marks around 62 to 78,000. So this range is also very populated, and 20 marks to 29 your rank will be considered quite low, and then you can get only 78,000 to 95,000. And if you are getting less than 20, definitely very few people will be there. 95,000 to 1 lakh rank you can expect in that range. Only smaller number of students will be there. So that is assuming 1.05 lakhs are there, you will get this type of ranks. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates, and I will cover the shift 2 and shift 3 students marks versus rank analysis in the next videos. Take care and bye.